Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. I don't know if you saw my previous video, but I mentioned I was ordering some parts for a timing job I'm doing on my truck. I've got everything I need for the job. I've got my tensioners, I've got my chains, I got my guides, I've got the timing cover gaskets, I've got I can't think of everything off the top of my head right now, especially while I'm driving. But the only thing I'm really waiting on are the roller followers and the lash adjusters. Now I ordered them, I mentioned before, from Tasca, and I ordered them on Monday, and I checked yesterday and it still said processing, and they sent me an email about how it would take 1 to 2 days, before they'd ship it. And I checked again today and it still hasn't been shipped, so I had to contact them, and they were like, oh, sorry, we should have shipped it already, but we didn't. So I'm trying to work through maybe getting my shipping refunded, because it was like $32, which is fine because Tasca parts are, from what I've seen so far, especially these roller followers and lash adjusters, are pretty cheap compared to every other place I've looked. I've looked on Amazon, I've priced them on eBay, even Freedom Racing, but Tasca had the best price, and that goes along with some other people that said the same thing on some F-150 forums. So I'm going to see if I can maybe get my shipping refunded, but we'll see. I'm not too worried about it. I was hoping they would arrive sometime this week so I can potentially start on the job this weekend. And looks like it's not going to happen. They said that it might arrive by Monday or Tuesday, and if that's the case, then I can at least start it on next week. But we're getting closer, and I'm getting excited at the same time, a little nervous, because I know this is a big job and I just don't want to screw it up. There's a lot of things to do, a lot of things you got to do right. I've done a lot of research on it. Just to recap, I'm doing the complete timing job on my 04 F-150 Lariat, and it's got 181,000 miles on it. I've got some rattle that sounds like it's coming from the cam phasers, and while I'm in there, I'm going to change out the cam phasers and everything else. I priced out each thing individually. Like I know that there's a kit that you can get on Amazon for like $830 that has or $815 or something. I'm not sure what the price is right now. That has everything in it to do the job. But I kept reading about the tensioners and how everyone recommends the steel or iron tensioners from the previous generation, and that kit had the plastic ones from Ford. So I was like, well, I don't want to have to get back in there if they fail again, so I'm going to go with the iron tensioners. So I didn't go with the kit. I priced out everything individually, tried to get the best prices I could get for them. I'll have to do another video where I kind of go over each part that I got and the prices and kind of add them all up so you kind of have an idea. But I got the metal tensioners, and I've already got those in. I got both of them together probably for a little over $100. Got them on Amazon. So I'm almost ready to do this job, just waiting on the lash adjusters and the roller followers, and I think it'll be straight. I will do another video beforehand to kind of recap, in addition to the video about the pricing, before I start the job, and then I'm going to hopefully do a video of the actual job, which I'm assuming will take a good bit of time. I'm hoping I'll get it done over a weekend. We'll see. I know a lot can go wrong, so I guess it depends on what I find when I open up the motor. I'm hoping that there's no damage to the cam. I'm hoping all the sound that I'm hearing is just from like the chain hitting the timing cover and the phasers. I'm hoping it's nothing worse than that. I don't have any check engine lights. It's mainly just lack of power that I'm experiencing in my truck, and just being able to hear that rattle when I'm driving. So no codes is a good thing from what I've read. So we'll see. Anyway, this is just a quick update video. I'm headed back home. I'm headed back to work from lunch. I work pretty close to home, so I go home a lot of time from my lunch break. So I will check back in, you guys. Be looking out for my next videos in relation to this job, this timing job, because I know it's interesting to some people. It's interesting to me, for sure. I watch a lot of F-150 videos, especially doing research on getting prepared to do this job. So if you're interested in this and want to see kind of, you know, my process and what happens, I'll try to go into as much detail as I can, explaining what I did and why I chose what part, you know, and what brand, and specifically what, you know, the different parts that I ordered and where I got them from. If you're interested in this whole process, just like this video if you want to, and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I will see you later. Have a good day.